Get this wrong and you are explaining to your manager why production is down because your web architecture couldn't handle the traffic surge after the product launch. A highly available web architecture is crucial for any product launch, and as a Linux admin, building such an architecture using Nginx load balancing with Jenkins automation is a common requirement. What it does, Nginx load balancing with Jenkins automation provides a highly available web architecture that can handle traffic surges and ensures zero downtime deployments. Nginx acts as a reverse proxy and load balancer, distributing incoming traffic across multiple backend servers, while Jenkins automates the deployment process, ensuring that new code changes are deployed without interrupting the live traffic. Command, example. Breaking it down. The Nginx configuration defines an upstream block that lists the backend servers, and a server block that listens on port 80 and proxies requests to the upstream block. The Jenkins configuration defines a deploy block that specifies the deployment strategy, in this case, blue-green deployment. The blue-green deployment strategy involves deploying the new version of the application to a separate set of servers, and then switching the load balancer to point to the new servers. Common mistakes. One common mistake is not configuring the load balancer to distribute traffic evenly across the backend servers. This can be fixed by configuring the load balancer to use a round-robin or least connections algorithm. Another common mistake is not monitoring the backend servers for health and removing them from the load balancer if they become unhealthy. This can be fixed by configuring the load balancer to use health checks and removing unhealthy servers from the pool. Try this next. Try configuring Nginx to use a different load balancing algorithm, such as least connections or IP hash. Also, try configuring Jenkins to use a different deployment strategy, such as canary releases or rolling updates. Pro tip: in a production environment, it's essential to monitor the load balancer and backend servers for performance and health issues. Use tools like Prometheus and Grafana to monitor the system and alert on any issues. Also, use a configuration management tool like Ansible or Puppet to manage the configuration of the load balancer and backend servers, ensuring that the configuration is consistent and up-to-date across all servers.